word warriors! I'm Lexi. In a moment we'll watch Milo's runaway drone adventure and learn 6 brilliant words that could appear in your 11 plus exam. Let's watch the story now, narrated by my friend Emily.
One bright Monday morning, on the quiet school playground, Milo tapped the start button on his homemade drone. With an audacious leap, the little machine whizzed upward, spinning like a firework and zipping beyond the football goals before anyone could blink. Milo unfolded his meticulous drawing of his drone invention, every arrow neat, and every measurement inked in highlighter. He read the safety checklist aloud, yet the drone, now a blinking speck, kept circling higher and higher, ignoring all his careful instructions. At the school gate, he met Pippa, who carried a bright green net. Milo suggested waiting for the caretaker's ladder, but Pippa was obstinate. She planted her feet, declared, "No time," and marched straight toward the open field. They halted at a narrow wooden footbridge over a mossy stream. Milo read the faded warning sign, "Slippery when wet," and whispered that a tumble could be perilous, so the pair tiptoed beside the rail, hearts thumping in their ears. Out on the wide playing field, the friends stood shoulder to shoulder, vigilant as lighthouse keepers. Heads moved slowly left to right, scanning clouds, listening for the faint whir, certain the runaway drone would reveal itself any second. At last, a silver glint caught Pippa's eye. The drone trembled inside the oak's low branches. She raised her net, while Milo steadied the bow, and together they claimed a triumphant victory, cheering as the tiny propellers fell silent.
Did you spot our 6 tricky words? They are audacious, meticulous, obstinate, perilous, vigilant, and triumphant. Stick around. Emily's up next to tell you what they mean.
Audacious was the daring drone launch. Audacious means bold and fearless. Meticulous described Milo's colour-coded plan. Meticulous means extremely careful and detailed. Obstinate fit Pippa when she stamped her foot. Obstinate means stubborn. Perilous summed up the slippery bridge. Perilous means dangerous and risky. Vigilant captured how they searched the sky. Vigilant means watchful and alert. Triumphant crowned their cheers at the end. Triumphant means proud and victorious.
If you enjoy learning through stories, grab our Smarty Panthers story adventure workbooks, packed with engaging tales and 11 plus questions. Click the link below this video and level up your vocab today.